What's up guys, that's the bitch again with you in another new video. So first things first, this is not a financial advice. I'm not going to give you any financial advice. This is a paid script. If you need it, let me know. Like almost I said these sentence like for almost more than 1000 times or 2000 times, okay? And today I have uploaded already 3 videos and that's the next one because I told you that I have 20 scripts that I'm going to share. Everything I'm going to share. Don't worry, I'm going to make you rich. So no, this is not a financial advice. It's up to you that you should become rich or not. Okay, it's not in my hand, but my scripts are powerful. Okay, so this is a BNB mixer, okay, which is bypassing BubbleMaps. Okay, so let's continue. npm start. Okay, it's here as you can see here. Okay, master wallet, and now let's generate 3 wallets. Okay, now check it out, the balance. These are the addresses. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is to bypass free. Inside X is not available for BNB, but this is just for fun. And also if it's available, so it's gonna bypass. I know, like it has very security, it has very security measures, so yeah, it's gonna bypass. So but this is the main thing for BubbleMaps. Okay, so now let's do 3, and like each wallet should get 0.01, or just like let's say 0.01, that's fine. Okay, now yes, 0.01. Okay, that's done. Let it finish, let it finish, let it finish. Okay, verifying. Okay, yeah, I got the balances right now, and the balances are completed. Okay, 0.009, so that's finished. Now let's do test. So I don't know, this is some scammer token. I believe this is by a scammer because I can see all these things, but let's try to execute this. Okay, so because all we care about to see BubbleMaps. So yes sir, please do this. Token address, and it's here. Yes. Okay, we will have buy right now. Where is a big buy? Here is a big buy. And these motherfuckers are selling on me. Just thankful to me that I'm doing these things for you because I'm even losing money. Okay, all wars done. 1, 2, 3. Now let's check it out on BubbleMaps. Let's go to BubbleMaps. So what we're gonna do is all like that we're gonna see like a big walls like this. So let's check it out. It's gonna take a bit time, but I have learned video editing, so I'm gonna make it faster. I'm gonna come here as well. That's gonna be, yeah, that's the same token. Okay, it's the same token as you can see here. Okay, don't say that, yeah, that's not the one. That's the one, some Chinese name, 888. Okay, I will come to holders and I will check the fast X. This shit is already bypassed, don't worry about it. But we have to refresh it as well. So let's check it out, the past 100x. Okay, that's not the wallets. Okay, that's not my wallets. All we have to see in here, to check it out. This shit is deck screener is fucking shit. Okay, so all these big wallets are mine. Okay, as you can see here, these are my wallets. Okay, bypass, bypass, and bypass. Okay, and if you do this, okay, so now let's check it out. Bypass 79F. So here is 79F. Shit is clear. Okay, 63B9. 63B9 clear. And what else? Where is the other big wallet? Yeah, it's here. Okay, so 66E5. 66E5. So all of them are clear, and you should be happy and thankful to me that I have made something like this. And if you need some customization, do let me know. I will do it for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe this fucking channel because I got only 831 users, which is not good. I need fucking subscribers. I need fucking clients. Thank you so much. Bye bye.